All you coffee lovers out there, this 2-quart glass container is your go-to for iced coffee. I literally use this every day. It is the easiest thing to do. The cover just twists right off. It comes with this canister inside. So you're gonna fill this with your coffee grounds, and then you're gonna load it with water so it will fill up here in the bottom, and it does not put any coffee grounds on the top of the canister at all. I do this every day. I fill it up, put 5 scoops or so into here, and then I fill up the rest of the container with water. I let it sit for 24 hours, and then you have instant iced coffee. This is a must-have for sure. So I got this jar here for iced coffee. It is the large mason jar with the filter. I did recently wash this, but essentially it's super easy. You put all the greens in there. It can even take super fine greens. They don't come through. And you just plop it right on there. Put however much coffee you want. And a lid. So this sat for 12 hours. I let it sit on my counter and it's done. Pro tip, do it earlier in the night. That way when you wake up in the morning, you can use it right away. And it makes really good cold brew.
You give me your money.